Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we're going to be prepping the car a little bit more. We're going to be prepping the G35 for when we install the supercharger and we tune it. July 31st, we already signed up officially. July 31st, we will be taking the car over to the Bay Area around San Francisco and tuning the car. With that being said, today we're going to be installing the gauges, oil pressure gauge and the AFR gauge, air fuel ratio gauge. I can't quite install the boost pressure yet, but we're going to be heading over to my friend Robert's house. He has a wide body Genesis and he knows a lot about that wiring stuff, and I am not good with that stuff, man. If you are, man, God bless you. We need you in this world. But he's a little smart tech with all that wiring stuff and stuff. So we're gonna get a little bit of help from him to wire our gauges and hopefully get this installed today. I also want to go ahead and do today's shout out. Today's shout out goes to Gerardo Cortez. He said, keep grinding on these videos. Been watching since last year when I had a Corolla. Now I got a G37. Congratulations, brother. Now you got it. That's what's up, bro. I appreciate those that don't even have a G35 and watch my videos. If you watch my videos and you don't even have a car or a G35, bro, comment down below, man. I appreciate you so much, man. You guys probably get overlooked, man. I appreciate you so much. That being said, let's go ahead and start the car because I am burning up. Holy crap, boys, I think we got a world record right here. 465. Jesus Lord. Jesus, even with the membership, bro, that's insane, bro. 32. Oh hell no, that's it, bro. That's it. Stop drinking. Oh my God.
You want to shut your car off for me?
Yeah.
So the reason for stop's a few things, okay? One, your exhaust.
Them was a wet boy. You're like a Pizza Hut or some shit.
What the fuck?
This shit is
Hey, how much you paying?
I know, for reals, man. He's got employees and I don't see the OSHA freaking poster. Where's it at?
It's coming out of Ruben's pocket. Ruben make money.
I wish.
What do you mean? You're an accountant. You make money.
I handle a lot of money, but I don't. So we're inside the boy Robert's house. This boy got to stand with all the goodies. Look at that. Sheesh. Alright, y'all, so the boy Robert right now, we're gonna have to disconnect the bunge that we're finally gonna put to use. So some of you guys might not have this. You might have to actually drill a damn hole and then weld the freaking bunge on there. But the Z1 white pipe actually comes with the hole already with the bunge. And so...
Wait, you call it a bunge?
I think that's what it's called, right? Bunge?
Bung.
Bung. Different pronunciation, but it's because I'm French. I'm French.
I was like, wait, what are you talking about? Oh my
Come on,
God.
Robert, use that strength. Man, you gonna make me go under there?
Bro, this wrench is so much bigger. Bro, whoever put this on?
Me.
Kind of strong, huh? Oh my gosh.
So this is where the AFR, what's that shit called?
AFR gauge.
AFR gauge is gonna be installed, and then we're gonna push it all the way through the engine bay and then push it through the firewall to put it inside the car. But he can't get that shit loose. Did you get it loose? My G.
Yeah.
There you go. Now he putting in the sensor. Okay, step 1 complete. Now we just gotta give it some power. Come on, Robert, I'm burning up, bro.
You're burning up. I'm leaning against the exhaust. Oh shit, I didn't even realize that. I'm burning up.
Alright, little disclaimer, we let the car cool in the sun. So he should be good. He's just tripping.
Yeah, let it cool out in the sun.
Alright guys, it's been like 3 hours later. We're still in the same position.
Whoa,
my bad. Guys, we're really advancing to the project.
Whoa. Calm down there.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're trying to figure out where to pass the damn cable through. I'm gonna zoom it in to see if you guys can see where the hell he's drilling it at. There's a rubber grommet. What is that, on top of the brake pedal?
It's behind the brake pedal where the steering column is.
Oh, there you go.
I'll show it to you, Ruben. My finger don't fit.
Alright guys, so he put a fucking, what do you call it? A hanger.
A metal hanger.
And he's pretty much duct taping it to the rest of the wires. That way it's easier to
fish through
and just poke it and shit. I'm gonna feed this through the inside of the car. instead of feeding it from the bottom. Can you feed this through? Oh, you got it. Sick. Well done.
Hard work pays off, you feel me?
Yes, sir. Now can you feed this through?
Oh my fuck.
That ass though.
Hey.
Robert, you get it? I see it. Push it farther. Ah, fuck you.
They can't go in any farther.
Hold on. It's too tight. Like you.
Hold on. Robert, loosen it up. Move it up a little bit.
Got it?
Yeah.
Pull it.
Wait.
Took a little break. Step into the pain zone. Alright guys, we kind of missed this section right here, but...
Hey, I got some bad news.
What?
I see why they used the open end wrench and not one of those.
Open end wrench? What are you talking about?
I see why they used an open end wrench like this. Because this wrench might be too thick to get in there.
So what? Well, these boys just came back from AutoZone. Bumping. Where are they? You're gonna get me copyrighted. And so this freaking nut right here is a 1 1/16. I remember getting a socket for this for the oil filter right here because this is the same size.
$20.
$20?
$20.
Yeah, that's how much they are. I'll tell you. The oil pressure, we got the freaking oil pan here just in case this shit drips, but oh fuck, it did. Never mind. Here's what the sensor looks like, just for these guys wondering. Here's the sensor plug. This thing drills right there. It's a 1/8 thread size. Alright guys, my boy Robert's about to do his electrician fucking... He's an electric... Fuck, I can't He's like an electrical genius, whatever. But honestly, I couldn't help you guys with all that electrical issue because I don't know what he's doing. So I mean, he could explain maybe a little bit, but honestly, I have no idea what he's doing. All I see him is connecting color to color. And
so basically, the way the guy already had it wired up was he had all 3 gauges, power and grounds wired together.
Which he told me when I go picked it up. I just didn't understand anything, so.
Yeah. But installation, that was no bueno. So I cut them, and now I'm just rewiring them all back together the way they came. That way, all the gauges are in one ground and in one fuse versus trying to find individual grounds, individual fuses for each individual gauge. So this just makes it easier.
I don't know if y'all understood, but I didn't. But I mean, maybe some of you guys are smarter than I am and y'all understood perfectly. But as of right now, we're just gonna make sure the gauge pod works, and then we'll head home and then finish the project another day. Anyways guys, it's the next day and there's Pretty Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Look really, really good. Obviously the top one is missing because that's the boost gauge. We don't have boost yet, so we can't really put it on yet. Giving you guys an angle from the other side. Oh man, that is magnificent. Since this camera's running at 30 frames per second, you're literally seeing the frames clicking through. But this one says heat, this one says 0 for now. Anyways guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. This is not gonna be the final ending result for those gauges because we still need to add that 3rd gauge. So when we install the 3rd gauge, we're gonna have a lot more time. We're gonna make sure the cables are all pressed nicely and everything. Even though it looks pretty nice how it is right now, we're gonna make sure it's even more nicer, okay? And we're gonna be taking the gauges to the state ref meeting, whatever you want to call it, appointment. We're gonna be taking those. The car's gonna be completely stock. Ain't nothing gonna stop me from passing that. So gauges only measure things. I don't think they'll fail you for that. So we're gonna go ahead and just leave the gauges on. It looked like a pain in the ass installing them, just looking at my friend installing them, so I did not want to take those off by any means. Without further ado, next video, right now, they just came, they're in the couch right now. I'm going to be replacing the compression arms. The car makes a weird noise, and I will show you guys in that video. So if you guys ever have that noise, you guys get familiar with all these noises, you'll know what to fix in your G35. So I'm gonna show you guys that noise. It's really bad, and you do not want that noise whatsoever. So we're gonna be replacing the compression arms. And after that, during the weekend, we're gonna be completely transforming the G35 back to stock. We're gonna be putting the stock muffler, the stock mid pipe, the white pipe, the cats, literally back to OEM. And we're gonna be putting the stock plenum on it. Then we're gonna go ahead and take it to state referee, and hopefully we pass. But yeah, well, if I put on all the OEM stuff, I'm pretty much gonna write it like that until maybe 2 weeks prior to my tune day, until I have to go to my friend's house and literally take all the OEM stuff and put back my exhaust, put the supercharger on, and everything, the whole shabam. So it's gonna be an interesting month next month in July, and it should be a good one as well. So I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Love you guys. Be distinct, man. Catch you guys next video. Peace.